First question is, dash is the drug of choice for gout, that is allopurinol. Most common type of breech presentation, frank. Gomez classification is for protein energy malnutrition. Social stratification is the ranking of people or groups within a society. IMNC urgent referral, pink. When it is said to be good for cost benefit ratio if it is greater than 1. What is the bacterial cause of diarrhea? Salmonella. Common virus which is causing diarrhea in children, rotavirus. Main symptom of peptic ulcer, that is burning sensation in the epigastric. Digestion of carbohydrates starts in mouth and it ends in small intestine. In fetus, blood moves from right atrium to left atrium through foramen ovale. IQ of mental age 30 and chronological age 25 is 120. That is, we all know the formula, mental age by chronological age into 100. So 30 divided by 25 into 100 is 120. So dash is the organ responsible for balance in the ear, vestibule. Dash is the hammer-shaped bone present in the ear, malleus. Irregular bone example, vertebrae. The joint that forms between the skull is fibrous joint. What is right from wrong or wrong from right is ethics. Ability to focus on two or more things at the same time is divided attention. Aldosterone is the hormone responsible for reabsorption of sodium and water in the body. How many parathyroid glands are there? That is 4, 2 pairs. Who proposed cultural lag? That is William F. Ogburn. General intelligence theorist is Charles Spearman. Eclecticism is the practice of choosing or involving ideas, objects and beliefs from many different sources. Erb's fallacy, it is due to C5, C6 of brachial plexus. Imipramine, it is the classification of tricyclic antidepressant drugs. Most dangerous placenta previa is marginal placenta previa. Conflict resolution is the solution for disagreement. The laws that have been developed through court decisions are common law. Bacteria size is measured in micrometers. The enzyme that lowers cholesterol in the blood is HMG-CoA reductase. The prostaglandin which is produced by the fetal membranes are PGE2. Incubation in problem solvings are long incubation with low workload. Anosmia, that is loss of smell. Intra-arterial drugs are given in local malignancies. Structure that prevents atrioventricular valves from reverting into atria during ventricular contraction is chordae tendineae. Side effect of statins, muscle pain. Disaster management for crisis prevention is preparedness phase. Palliative care is nothing but we are giving care to the people in order to manage the symptoms. Measurements of interval and all, that is interval scale. The audit which monitors the setting in which patient care occurs such as finances, nursing services and environment is structure audit. Dash is when the body tries to repair itself after stress is resistance stage. Mala N constituents are levonorgestrel and ethinyl estradiol. The relationship between two or more variables is called as hypothesis. Hayman's fluid composition is sodium sulfate, sodium chloride and mercury chloride. It is asked except. Then the person who thinks that they have been mistreating, we call it as delusion of persecution. The drug, when it reaches systemic circulation, we call it as bioequivalence. The application of medication which can be used by rubbing, we call it as inunction.